Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing, yay! So this is one from QVC and I picked up this bag. Yes, it's yet another bag that I have been eyeing, and it's one that is really rare. They did not, I don't think they made quite very much of these. It's one of those bags on QVC in a color that they just probably, I think they only produced it once, and then very low quantity. So this may be a return from somebody, because this color, it came out, I don't know, about 5 months ago ish, or six months ago, and then they didn't restock it at all until 2 weeks ago, or about a week ago. So Dooney Addict 615 talked about this color recently on her live stream last week. So this is going to be in steel blue. So for you folks out there wanting to know what steel blue looks like, which you may or may not already know, this is it. So I've already opened the box. I just cut it. And let's take a look. I hope it's in good condition. That's always the gamble with these, because it may be a return. I'm not sure. So let's find out. So exciting. I have always wanted this. I used to have this bag, by the way, in a different size, and then I sold it, and then I liked it. Okay, let me just take it out. Ooh, very nice. Look at it. Can you guess? Yes, this is the Dooney & Bourke Florentine Micro Satchel. Now, I already have this in the natural, which I showed earlier on my channel. So I have never seen this before with the taped Dooney & Bourke logo on it, but that's pretty cool. Another sticker there. All right, let's hope for the best. I don't know. Just a sec. There. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, okay. So there's a lot of stuffing in here. Here it is. Like I said, this is the steel blue color in the Dooney & Bourke Florentine Micro Satchel. Let me take out some of the stuffing because I want to show you the shape. So, okay. That's not original packaging. Nope. So I think it's a return. Oh, at least you get a dust bag. Okay, so there's a dust bag. Yeah, I think it was. Because this is normally placed in the back zip pocket, and it's just shoved at the bottom. So, okay. Yep. Not in original packaging. Normally this thing has plastic all around it. Oh, and as well as around all the metal and the handles. So, but it looks pretty good. Okay, let me take out the silica packets. And I apologize, it's hard to see it because the mouth is so small, but yeah, see how small it is? Hard to see inside, but yeah, this is a small bag. I do not recommend it for anybody who wants a medium-sized bag. So, ooh, it's in okay this is in pretty good condition. Okay. Alright, so it folds over like so. And like I said, in person, it looks more of a purplish, a plum color than it does on camera. On camera, it's almost kind of looking like slate, which is different, totally different color. So, oh, look at this. Tag gone. So on here would have originally hung the price tag, like the tag to the bag. That's gone. Back looks okay. I will tell you it's very mushy. So somebody used it, I don't know, maybe for a few weeks. Yeah, okay. There's a scratch on the bottom right here. It could be a, yeah, it looks almost like a scratch, but it could be a tiger, you know, on the cow or the lamb or whatever, if they had like a birthmark or a stretch mark, sorry. There's another one right here, and that looks like it came with how the bag originally was. So this is in really good shape. Tassels are a little bit splayed out, but I have cosmetic brush holders that we put over these. Is very common, and then it will help it to stay in place. That side looks great. Looking great. So yeah, as what I suspected, this is definitely a return. let's check the pockets. So you'll have a zip pocket in the back. Let's unzip it. When I've ordered stuff from QVC before, guys, I've gotten a return before, and there was a feminine product in there, and then a business card. Yeah, QVC does not check inside return bags, and I know that for a fact. I've heard that from other people too. Okay, nothing. So there's a zip pocket in the front, and then there's a slip pocket on the other side. So it is a different setup. Looks great. Okay, let me smell it. Yep. Only thing is, it's very mushy, so it has been used. And yeah, and there's a strap. So yeah, I love it. I'm going to be keeping it. But like I said, it comes out more purple in camera. So yeah, I've been wanting this bag for a while. So yeah, like I said, they came out about 6 months ago, and they never came back until this one popped up. So it's a rare bag. So yeah, thank you for watching. And I think I'll have another unboxing in a few days, so that's going to be exciting. And I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.